What's up, Cole Winholtz Outdoors YouTube people? Got something in the mail, and it involves this. So if you guys saw before, I put on a Bushnell banner to Dawn to Dusk. My recommendation: never buy that. Shitty piece of crap. I would never recommend it. I put it on there because I got it cheap, and so I was just like, you know what? I just need to buckle down and buy something that's nice. So I'm doing unboxing for you. Alright, so first thing, you guys have seen this before, but I was so happy with that mount that I bought from my other scope that I bought this one. Or I bought the same thing for this gun. So this is the Monstrum. It's the deadlock system. You guys can see that. And at the end of the video, I'll show you what I paid for everything. So, Monstrum deadlock system. These are really nice. Get them on Amazon for $30-some. Very nice. And here's the best part. Vortex, guys. So I bought the Vortex Sonora 4x12x44. I love Vortex. Ever since I had my 6.5 Creedmoor, that came with the Vortex Strike Fire, and I loved that scope. I could have went and bought one, but you know, I wanted something a little bit different. This isn't for like super far range, you know, maybe 300-400 yards, but this is gonna be my coyote gun, so I don't think I'm gonna be shooting out that far. I mean, you just never know, but this is a pretty nice scope for sure. All right, so obviously comes with the cloth, Vortex cloth, just like my last one. This one though did not come with a sticker, but it's okay. I already have a sticker. Okay, take that back. It did come with a little sticker, but get to it. Hold on. I'll show you guys the bread and butter. Now this is a second vocal plane scope, just like the Copperhead. I think this is either the big sister or big brother of it. So yeah, guys, here she is. 1-inch rings. Oh yeah. Yep. It's made in China. But it's still good. It still works really well. I sighted in my 308 with that Vortex on it. Very good. Holds a zero very well. Thank you guys for watching Cole Winholtz Outdoors. I'm gonna try to put out more videos. I just trying to think of different ideas. Might do a shooting video, so you never know. It'd be kind of fun. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.